This is a short video of my koi fish collection. I hope you enjoy it.
Well, here we go again. Summer is over, and it's time to get your koi pond ready for winter.
Here are a few things that I do to make my fish as comfortable as possible through this hard time.
As you can see, it's mid-October and close to winter.
Keep in mind that everyone is different, and every climate and situation is different. This is only what I do and hope that it will help you also. If you are having trouble winterizing your pond, don't hesitate to call a professional. Abraham Landscape and Creative Design 412 969 9381.
I completely removed all the annual plants and cut back the water iris. My son Bobby helped.
At this time of year, fish don't eat much, so cut back on feedings to ease them into winter, where they won't eat at all. Try to switch foods to a fall-winter mix, containing wheat germ.
Once spring arrives, I will be giving away a lot of fish, such as these goldfish, that are growing quickly. My fish are spawning all the time.
You can contact Abraham Landscape and Creative Design at 412-969-9381. I will be more than happy to supply your pond with my fish.
I did not completely winterize the pond yet, because we still have a few weeks of decent weather. But soon we'll remove the remaining 2 pumps and skimmer, and install an aerator and icer.
As we get closer to winter, your pH levels will fluctuate. You must do your best to maintain a proper pH. I keep mine at 8 to 8.4.
Chances are, your ammonia levels will also rise. If necessary, do small water changes and add a dechlorinator.
After all, you want your fish to be as comfortable as possible through the winter.
I sure am going to miss going outside to feed my fish and just relaxing.
Relaxing? Well, at least you have something to look forward to.
It is wise to cover your pond with some kind of netting to keep out the leaves and winter debris.
I put a net around my entire pergola. This will help with the leaves and keep the nitrites and nitrates out also. High nitrates will kill your fish.
I hope this video was helpful. You can call Abraham Landscape and Creative Design 412-969-9381 for all your questions and concerns. Thank you.